Hello everyone. In this video, we have to find the solution of a question which says a car is speeding up on a horizontal road with an acceleration a. Consider the following situation in the car. Number 1. A ball is suspended from the ceiling through a string and is maintaining a constant angle with the vertical. Find the angle. Number 2. A block is kept on a smooth incline and does not slip on the incline. Find the angle of the incline with the horizontal. So I have drawn both the situation. In the first situation, the ball is suspended from the roof of the car and it is making an angle theta. And on the same way, a block is placed on the incline which is making an angle theta, and the car in both the situation is accelerating with an acceleration a. So for the first part, let me draw this suspended ball here. So this is the ball, and when the car is accelerating, it is making an angle theta, right? So there will be a mass of the ball, the mg force acting downward. Due to the acceleration of the car, there will be a force which is acting at the back end, and it is equal to m into a, and the tension is developed in the string, right? Now this tension is making an angle theta here. So that means there will be a two component of this tension T. One is T cos theta and the other one is T sin theta, right? And the ball is in equilibrium and maintaining a constant angle. So that means the forces will be balanced, right? So we can say T cos theta should be equal to mg and T sin theta should be equal to m into a. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. So divide 2 by 1, we will get T sin theta is equal to m into a, divide by T cos theta, and here it is mg. So m will cancel out, T will cancel out. So we will get tan theta is equal to a by g, or I can say theta is equal to tan inverse a by g. Now for the second part, let me draw that second part. The box is kept at its position. The mg force will be acting downwards. The force due to acceleration will be acting backward direction, and the inclination is at an angle theta. So if it is theta, so that means if I draw a perpendicular here, this is also going to be theta. So that means if we resolve this mg into two components, one is going to be mg cos theta, and here it is going to be mg sin theta, and this is going to be the reaction force. Same way, the MA force will also be resolved, and in this case, this angle is going to be theta. So that means this is going to be MA cos theta, and here it is going to be MA sin theta, right? So since the box is in equilibrium or stays at the same position, so that means the forces along the incline are balanced. So we can say MA cos theta is equal to mg sin theta, right? M will cancel out. So a by g is going to be sin theta upon cos theta, or I can say tan theta a by g, right? So that means theta is again tan inverse a by g. So in both the cases, theta is same. So this is the solution of this problem.